Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Stripe for US online payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Stripe for US online payments, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Stripe homepage by entering www.stripe.com. Once on the homepage, click the Start Now button in the top right corner. Next, you will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email from Stripe. Check your inbox for this email and follow the link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Stripe homepage. Now, enter your email and click Login to access your account. After logging in, you will be guided through the initial setup. Begin by providing your country as the United States. Next, enter your legal business name as it appears on your official documents. You will also need to input your business type from the drop-down menu. This can include options like individual, corporation, or LLC. Then, provide your tax identification number, if applicable. If you are an individual, you can enter your social security number. Follow this by supplying your business address and phone number. Next, you will be asked to enter your bank account information. This allows Stripe to deposit funds from your transactions. Ensure you provide accurate and up-to-date information. Once you've filled out all required fields, review your entries for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, click the Submit button. You will receive immediate feedback regarding your registration status. If approved, you can start setting up your payment processing. Explore the dashboard and connect any additional tools you may need. You can now integrate Stripe with your website or online store. Make sure to test transactions to ensure everything is functioning properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.